when did you come to believe that Catalonia should be an independent country?
After the Franco's death, I feel that the world that starts at this moment, it's calling me. It's something about me and my future. I was engaged to build a new society.
The Spanish judicial system rolled into action and took away the constitutional prize that Catalonia had gained.
Well, this mistake, in fact, starts a new era. In the end of this era, that will start a Catalan Republic.
But Mr. President, you're now in a position where you're in exile with many of your ministers here in Brussels. Many of your other ministers are in jail in Spain. How can you be so confident about the outcome given that situation?
Well, have you seen the streets of Barcelona last week? Full of people demanding freedom. Where politicians are legal and legitimate representatives of Catalan people. I'm confident in this victory. I propose to the Mr. Rajoy, Mr. Juncker, Mr. Tajani to accept.
You're a president of a country. What is your message to the people of Catalonia?
We will win. We will succeed.
Mr. President, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Strong stuff from Carles Puigdemont. Let me be clear about 2 points. One, if Senior Rajoy of Spain would like a right of reply, then this chair is absolutely available to him for next week's show. And two, and this may be a surprise to many watching, I have never called for Catalan independence. Scotland is not Catalonia, and Catalonia is not Scotland.
No tenim ni 5.